track 27, and we've got the same chord we used before, C and E, that's coming up in the piece. And we've got 3 counts in the bar. You can tell that because there are a number 3 at the start of the music. And it goes from left hand to right hand. So we're using a little bit of seesaw hand movement as well. So I'll play this one quite slowly so you can see the movements of the hands. Why was she cross? Why was she cross? Mommy is always so calm. What caused this? And now I'll play it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Why was she cross? Why was she cross? Mommy is always so calm. What